Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. It is raining today. I absolutely hate it. It's been raining for the past 2-3 days, and I've just been wanting to install this part for my daily. Guys, I know I said I wouldn't modify the daily, but it is just way too much fun. I absolutely love this car. I think I'm gonna try to pull the car in a little bit. Got a little bit of room here. Maybe we can cover the daily a little bit so I can work on it. Yeah, I cannot wait to put this on. I've been wanting to put this on for so long, and it's finally gonna happen. So let's move the car. Honestly, I didn't really think that through because I can't get out on the driver's side door. Today we're swapping out the OEM air intake for this one right here. I went ahead and purchased, I guess, a cold air intake, but not really, because cold air intakes to me usually have tubing of some sort that would be replaced with metal piping or something else that's aftermarket. But this is actually just an adapter and a bracket with a cone filter. Simple as that. I think it'll add some sound. I'm not doing it for any type of gains because there's no gains with this car, but I think it'll be a fun thing to do. Should be a few bolts. And the coolest thing is I reached out to this company, Cosmo Racing. They're based out in Canada, and they're the only company that has an intake for this car. It's gonna be like my first time working on this car, see how things work, I guess, but should be a bolt here, bolt in there, these bolts. It also has these clips. There should be like 4 of them, I think, and then I can, like, you know, take this off, remove the math, and put this in. But let's show you guys what we're working with. So we got a big cone filter that I have to lube up. It's said in the instructions these don't come pre-lubed, so we got to put the oil in. Good thing I have that. This is the bracket, so it should go on right there. We got a cool badge that's freaking sick. Instructions. We have the grommet that goes in between and bolts in the bracket. So it should be simple. And I cannot wait to hear how it sounds. I kind of want my exhaust to be a tiny bit louder, but the only thing you can do for that is resonator delete or cat delete, and I don't want it stupid obnoxious. I just want it to be a little bit louder, but I want it to keep the same tone, so I think this might help, but I don't know. I can't really base it off anything because no one's really done this. It's all gonna be new to us and everyone else that watches this video, but let's go ahead and get started. So my fiance actually got me this for Christmas, and I finally get to use it. 24K gold, baby, let's go. Guys, this is a bougie ass ratchet. It's so heavy, I love it. And then we got the holy grail, the 10 mil. It's safe to assume that everything might be a 10 mil. Yep, 10 mil. Finally got it off. Holy shit, that took forever. And then we got this dumbass hidden bolt right here. Got the bottom portion out. Got this bolted on, looks so good. Clean ass adapter. And I'm so glad I always carry air filter oil on me. So we gotta lube that up and we can go ahead and install it, and I'll see where this bracket goes. Took way longer than I thought because I was tripping out so hard. I did not know how to get this bracket to fit. This L bracket wasn't bent like this. I had to bend it myself. We have the perfect clearance because I knew I wanted to use this as the mounting point for the bracket. I did not, because I didn't want to use the battery tie down, but I think this is a lot cleaner. It doesn't wiggle. Before it was just kind of floating and I knew it would hit stuff and rattle, but now I think it's solid, everything's on there. I did not know that this could bend. I seriously went on Google Images, looked up these air filter L brackets, and I saw in the pictures that some people had these bent. And I think that's why they put holes in it so you can bend it. I thought it was just for mounting points, but who knows. Either way, I was able to bend it and now it's solid. Are you guys ready to hear it? I think it sounds really good. I'm so hyped. I'm just hyped that it's finally done. This was supposed to be like 15 minutes, ended up being damn near 2 hours. Damn, sounds like I have a supercharger. What do you guys think? I think it sounds absolutely sick. Oh, dude. With my exhaust? I'm so hyped. All right, guys, actually I have one last thing to install. We got a package from my sponsor, STREETAERO. Huge thank you guys for sending me this. Honored to be a part of your build. They sent over a steering wheel. Let's go. You guys are probably wondering, why do you need another Alcantara steering wheel? You already have one. I have really clammy hands, and it's nice to have two different wheels that I could switch back and forth from. And STREETAERO was kind enough to send me their steering wheel, and it's a little bit of a different style. I love this. It has these aggressive lines as opposed to these holes. Look at this finish. It is brush, but not really, whereas this is like legitimate brush finish, and I love that. And there you guys have it. It is in. But damn, this looks so good. Huge shout out to STREETAERO for sending me another dope product. Steering wheel boys. Maybe tomorrow morning I'm going to be getting my fender shaved so I don't cut it anymore. We're gonna do all 4 corners, and that should honestly allow us to be able to slam the car, no issues. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, it is the next day and we are over here getting my fender shaved. Kevin came out and he brought me boba. Don't know if you guys remember this beautiful Tesla. Oh my god. Ah, so pretty. Damn, Tesla BBK. But yeah, Kevin came to hang out and he brought me a size XL hoodie because I ordered a large from him and it didn't fit because I'm thick. But we're over here today with Mr. Sexy S2K. Drove all the way out here, stuck in traffic just to get some work done by him. But look at this S2K. Oh my god. With the spoon brakes too. Guys, this is David. Sorry for being late again.
You're just making everybody else late.
Can you just give a quick rundown of what you're gonna do? Like something really brief?
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slap the shit out of it.
Wide body?
Yeah, I'm gonna wide body it. No, so pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna roll this lip so it's flat so you get all this clearance. And yeah, when you go lower, you won't catch this lip.
So this one's getting rolled.
Yeah, this one's getting rolled and the backs are getting shaved. You don't wanna roll these because they're just so thick. So might as well just shave it so you get all the room.
Okay.
So.
Well, thank you.
Of course.
Guys, check this out. Oh my god. Super thin. It used to be all the way out here. Perfect.
Are you vlogging? Oh shit,
thank you. No, thank you. It looks really good.
As you can tell, it looks OEM. Everything looks completely fine. Nothing's pulled out, but everything's all flat.
Yeah. Oh my god. David said now I could slam it.
Yes, you can slam it, and you should be fine. Especially for the back, and I know the front you're fine, but especially the back, because you're hitting, I think, a lot in this corner right here. Obviously, you can see the shredding, but it's all from here. But you should be good now.
Thank you. Yep. All right, guys, so I drove the car. It is so perfect. Huge shout out to David. If you guys need your fender shaved, check him out, Mr. Sexy S2K. I'll leave a link to his Instagram in the description, and it'll be on the screen right here. He does amazing work, and I got recommended to him by 10 different people. It is so OEM and so perfect. I have my car wrapped and he still worked around it. Super good. Huge thank you to Kevin for bringing me this played out license plate frame that is gonna look so good on the car. And Kevin brought me this hoodie, check it out. It's so sick, it's so comfortable. I'll leave a link to this if you guys wanna cop and support. I haven't been in this plaza in like 10 years. So it's cool that I finally get to come back with my old man car, and we're gonna go get some food right now. So I'll pick this video back up in a little bit. So we finished eating at Boiling Point. Love hot pot, but apparently the waiter watches my videos and he gave us 2 teas. So if you were watching, nice. Thank you. Bullshit aside, I'm not the best tipper in the world, and she's been making me get better. But if you watch my videos and you tell me that you do, you're getting a 40% tip. Even if I'm broke, I'll still give you a tip. It's just really nice knowing that, dude, some people watch my videos. That's freaking crazy. Alright guys, stuck in traffic. I thought I'd show you guys something really cool about my car that I just found out. So there's no manual mode, and it's obviously an automatic. There's a button right here. It's called overdrive. If I press it, it allows you to unlock the 4th gear. So I always keep it on so it can hit all 4 gears when I'm driving normal like this. There kind of is a manual mode. What I can do is turn off overdrive, downshift it a little bit, and if I want to go into 2nd gear, I just go down, downshift it again, And then if I go into L, which is low gear, also known as the first gear, it downshifted again. I'm stuck in this gear, but if I want to upshift, go up. It just upshifted. Now if I want to upshift again, it upshifted again. And if I really want to go into that fourth gear, I press this button, and now I'm in fourth gear. That is freaking crazy. And obviously we can go into neutral. With the new intake. And here's a little sound clip of the new intake for you guys. This is the best car I own. Alright guys, just made it home. Before I give you some flybys with the new intake, I actually wanted to leave you guys with a new tip that I just finally found out. If you guys have lowered your car like I did, whether it's springs or bags, the headlight actually shoots down at the ground. I've been driving like that for 2.5 years. I could not find a way to fix it because I opened up these headlights a long time ago, and I thought ever since then I messed up the headlight. I just recently found a way to make the headlight shoot up again, and I know a lot of IS owners have an issue with that with this model, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Excuse the dirty engine bay, I haven't cleaned it in forever. If you look right here, do you see that yellow knob? All you have to do is twist that clockwise or counterclockwise if you want to adjust it. It's pretty tight fitment, and you're pretty much not going to be able to get a ratchet in there, and you don't want to remove your whole headlight, right? So this is the solution. Get a Phillips head screwdriver, stick it exactly right here. You see how there's like this perfect opening for it to go in? Once you stick it in there, all you do is twist, and you see how if you do clockwise or counterclockwise it works? So clockwise is the way you want to go. I know that the headlights are supposed to be offset a little bit, but dude, this one shot at the ground. That just makes no sense. The reason for that is because when you lower the car, it thinks that you have a dead body in the trunk, and it just doesn't register that you're lowered. Perfect. All because I did that. All right guys, you ready to hear out sounds? Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna end it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will be back with more videos soon. I absolutely love this thing, and I hope you guys love it too, but I promise I will work on the IS soon. I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.